Well, if it was going to put itself together, it would have started by now. So let's get this road on the show. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today and tomorrow and however long it takes, we are going to be getting the interior back inside this car. Been out of here for a good little bit. So I don't really expect this to be too exciting of a video. We just have probably about 30 different trim pieces and whatnot that we have to get back in here. So I think I'm going to start with all the trim around the windshield, around the back window, around the doors, all that. Get that into place. Got to get the body panel or the side panels on, door panels on, seats in, all that. But by the end of this video, I want to be sitting in this car again. So I'm going to run down to my basement and I'm going to start grabbing parts. So let's see where we end up. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to be starting in the back. So I'm going to do the trim on the top and also the sides, which are these little side pieces here. And with that goes, I had some little pieces of felt that go there. So as you can see, I got all my screws laid out. And this is what I'm looking for. Rear window inner trim. So that's the important one. So let's take that, let's get in the car, and let's get this stuff hung. This is just going to be screwing and shit. I'm not even going to record this. I'll just show you when it's done. As you can see, we have the top trim up and the side trim down, and we got our little piece of felt in there. So rear window's done. Next up, I don't remember if this outer piece around the window, I don't know if that goes in first or if the panel. So I'm gonna run down the basement and grab both, bring them up here and get this done. And there's a little piece right there too, somewhere missing. I'll find it. All right, I know you guys can't read this, but this is rear passenger interior window trim, which I need. What I found interesting is this, rear upper passenger outside. Now, the outside's on. Let's see what this is. Oh, these are the little stupid clips that hold the trim in place for when the window comes down, but my windows don't come down, so yeah, we don't need this at all. Garbage. Let's continue with the panels. Speaker mounting. Yeah, I'm not saying it's an issue, but I think I would have did something a little different. So obviously, the speakers, you can see they go above, so I can't even just flat surface mount them. I'm gonna have to use like some spacers of some sort and mount them from the trunk. So yeah, good times. Well, the back's all done, so we're moving on to the front. So we got the door panel first. Now, the way whoever built this interior for my car, it's really quite simple. You can see the sides, front and back, just Velcro on. There are 3 screws in the bottom, and the top is just held on by this trim piece. So we're going to get that piece on, run down the basement, get the top, and that'll finish up the door with the exception of all the handles and stuff. So let me get that going. What are you doing down there? So this next part should go pretty quick. Finishing up this door. We got 3 handles, the door pull, and the knobs. So let's get on it.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine. on, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back.
Peace. All right, this door's done. Let's finish up the other one. Next morning here, and it is it's a little cold here on the Jersey Shore. So we're gonna do around the windshield now. We have, these are all the upper pieces. Then we have a couple of lower pieces. So just looking at these pieces, because I honestly don't remember, I think we put the mirror up first, and then we do the tops, we do the bottoms, and then the side pieces cover the top and bottom. So let's get that started. There's literally nothing to this. It's just putting in like 15 screws, so I'm not going to record it. I'll show you when it's done. Ooh, that's a little dusty. All right, we got it all done. Top and bottom. I know you really can't see much, but everything's in place. So next thing for me to do, well, really, the last thing's going to be the seats. While they're out, I'm going to go through, I'm going to clean all the glass really, really good on the inside, because it's just going to be the easiest time to do it. And something else I found pretty cool, I just went and grabbed the back seat. We got the guy who did it in Bordentown, New Jersey, with a date of 9/95. RYH, that must be Ron. And I actually looked up this phone number, and it belongs to a barber shop, so obviously that guy's not out of business. Or no, obviously that guy is out of business. So I'm going to get to cleaning, and I'm going to slap these seats in and see how she looks. All right, well, that is half the battle, because that puppy is tight. So now that she's in, and we went and we hid my wife's vacuum back in the house, let's go with the front seats. Actually, first I have to put them together. There's a lot of chrome that goes on them, so go down in the basement, put them all together, then bring them up. And here we are. We got the inside all done. Show you guys what we're working with here. I actually have seatbelts in this car. That's a bonus. So yeah, overall, I know it's a little dark in here, but I'd say I'm pretty happy with it. Now, granted, this seat, because of the rear, doesn't look all that comfortable, but I'm pretty much only gonna ever be over there. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it came out pretty nice. Not gonna complain for a 28-year-old interior. I mean, it is in really nice shape. No reason to change it. So I think that's going to do it. I know this is a kind of a quick video. Not that I've edited it yet, but there wasn't a lot of action. You know, obviously, it's not a banger video, but it's, you know, these are some of the things you got to do just to get a car ready to go. So not a whole lot more time left on this car. A few other little odds and ends. Obviously, paint the rims and tires. Well, I got front tires there. Back tires have been on back order for 3 months. Throw the hood on. Throw some chrome on the motor. Radiator back in. Grill. All that stuff. That'll be miscellaneous, which we'll take care of in the next video. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and get off the couch and get in the garage. Alright, I just got home from work, and if you watched any of my videos in the past, probably seen here or there, I get quite a few animals living on the woods here at the Jersey Shore, but this doesn't happen often. What's up, buddy? What's up? You got teeth? Holy shit. Looks like a boar.